In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invest in GTA 6. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. As you probably know, Rockstar Games is the company behind GTA 6, and Rockstar Games is owned by Take-Two Interactive, which is the company that is available on the market, so we can directly buy stocks from this company. And if we go to the lifetime graph of this company, Take-Two Interactive Software, we can see the release date of GTA 5, which was around here, and the performance of that game went really well. So we can see how this stock blew up, and hopefully we can see something similar if this GTA 6 is a good game. So to invest in the company behind GTA 6, you will need to go to any trading platform. In my case, I will be using Trading 212. And if you create an account with the special link I will leave in the description below, as you can see, you will get a free share worth up to 100 euros. And you just need to create your account, verify your identity with your ID, and make a deposit of at least 10 euros. You can go right here to see the probability of the money you will get, and it's from 8 to 100 euros. From my personal experience, you will probably get around 20 or 30 euros, and you can of course withdraw that money to your bank account or use that money to invest in any company you want. So after you have your account ready, you will need to go to the main pot to deposit money, so click deposit and select the deposit method you want to use. So depending on the currency you want to use, you will have more or less payment methods. So for example, I will be using euros and I can deposit through credit card, or I can also use a bank transfer. Just deposit the amount of money you want to invest, and once you have the money on your Trading 212 wallet, we are going to search for Take-Two Interactive Software right here. And right now the market is closed because it's Saturday when I'm recording the video. But you can still click this buy button and select how much you want to spend or how much you want to buy. So let's say we want to buy 100 euros worth of Take-Two Interactive Software stocks. We can do it like this. And right now the market is closed, as I said. And if I put the buy order, this order will automatically be executed after the market opens. So we can review the order. We can see everything is good, and we can send the buy order. So whenever this market opens, we will automatically buy the stocks for this company. Once you get the stock, you can go to investments and you will see all your investments right here. In my case, I didn't buy the stock, but I will do the example with this Microsoft stock I have. So you can just click the stock and you will see the sell button. You can click here and follow the same process we did earlier, which is putting a sell order, and whenever the market is opened, you will sell your stock and you will get the money on your Trading 212 wallet, which you can withdraw very easily just by going to the main pot, then withdraw, and withdrawing to your bank account. So that's it. That's how you can buy and sell stocks for the company behind GTA 6. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.